So I got my packaging. I got it from HELLS Forge, USA. This is a double burner max. There's an unboxing video so you guys can see what comes inside the box. They ship it through UPS. Took them about a week and a half to ship it out. And I was very impatient. I emailed them a couple times. And shout out to Elaine for having patience with me. So here's our propane regulator. Instructions. Check out the way they package it up, looks pretty good. Let's see what we got here. There's the burner. Well, part of the burner. Looks to be copper with stainless steel. Here's the rest of the burner. That's nice. There's the other one. You already know what it looks like. And let's pull out the actual forge. Fancy. This, I'm assuming, is going to be fire brick. Oh no, this is the refractory cement. They give you refractory cement to coat all around here. That'll be on another video. Paintbrush to apply it. Assuming this is more. Oh, those are the fire bricks.